Well, a very symbolic visual there. Prime Minister Modi's ode to Ma Ganga amidst chants of Jai Shri Ram that are also being raised. These are the visuals coming in right after the first phase of Bengal polling. It has been very iconic for the BJP because this they sniff as the best ever possible chance for them to come to power in a state which has been a bastion first of the left and now of the TMC. The Ganga flows through the soul of Bengal is what the Prime Minister has said, spiritually connecting with Ma Ganga. Now remember, the Prime Minister always wears the Astha, his devotion on his sleeve. For him to go to Ganga, that too in West Bengal, and saying that it is the soul of Bengal itself, he is trying to make a spiritual connection with the people of West Bengal as well, and significant, very, very symbolically significant for a party which says that we are going to ensure that we will restore your cultural identity as well. We are not just a Hindi party as they are usually being dismissed of by the TMC and the left. Let me go across to Shivam, who's joining us as well. Shivam, very interesting visual that the Prime Minister has put out saying that Ganga is flowing through the vein of Bengal. Tell us why this is such a symbolically significant video to have put out and the messaging behind this.
Well, Meghna, when you talk about West Bengal and Kolkata specifically, because he is around Kolkata, there are certain, few monuments, few places that comes to your mind. Park Street, the Victorian Palace, and then the Hooghly River, where you will see the boats passing by. These are the sentiments that are attached to the common voters. This is how an image is being formed. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in the early hours of the day, coming to the Hooghly River, where we are also currently present, this is the exact same spot. The second boat, if I'll tell you, is the one in which the Prime Minister took, and this is the entire patch where he covered. We have seen him, adorning the clothes. We have seen him enjoying his time and also, surrendering to the serendipity which is currently here. He said that the Hooghly River flows through the heart of Kolkata and not just, it's not just a mere river, but it is a cultural identity, and that is what BJP has been trying to, capture on their votes. They know that the easiest way for a campaign to make the vote is to
a spiritual connect there by the Prime Minister. In fact, do stay on with us, Mohit, as well. In fact, we have Riju Datta of the TMC who's joining us. Riju Datta, how would you like to respond to this? The Prime Minister sharing a video of his visit. He can be seen there on a cruise going down the Hooghly. He speaks about the soul of Bengal itself being Ma Ganga. Do you think this kind of symbolism is very strong politically as well, right ahead of the second phase?
I think the Prime Minister is most welcome to take a ride down River Ganga and take pictures. No issues in that, but I think he should talk to his Home Minister before doing all this, because when his Home Minister in his speech yesterday said that the Calcutta, the city of joy, has turned into a city of slum. And Pradhan Mantri taking these beautiful pictures and posting it on social media does not go with each other. So they should talk to each other. Either you insult Calcutta, you insult Bengal, or you take a ride on a boat ride on Ma Ganga and take pictures. What is it?
Okay, but Riju Datta, very interestingly, on one hand, you just had, right before that, we played to our viewers how you had Union Home Minister Amit Shah Ji coming out and saying that the appeasement politics of TMC, your party, is going to end. And on the other hand, you have the Prime Minister taking this boat ride across Ganga with chants of Jai Shri Ram in the background. A strong messaging, many would say, to you and your party, the TMC.
If you allow me, I'll say two lines in Hindi, if that is possible.
Yes, please, go ahead.
तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी साथ क्या निभाओगे, झाल मूड़ी खाके वापस चले जाओगे 2029 तक फिर नहीं दिखोगे. That's all I have to say for both of them.
That 110 seats is the target that Amit Shah has put for the BJP in West Bengal. Achievable, you'd say, given the voting percentage, Riju Datta?
There is another saying in Hindi कि प्रदीप बुझने से पहले फड़फड़ाता है. The Honorable Home Minister is trying his...
What if the BJP says that may be true for you, the TMC?
I will say this, that the Honorable Home Minister is desperately trying to keep the morale up for the second phase for his cadres, which as a party leader he should do. but the reality is very different. And if I go by stats, 2016, there was 81% polling. Trinamool Congress won 211 seats.
But you know how the BJP went from 3 to 77?
Can I please finish? Please. 2016, 81% vote share. We got 211 votes. 11 seats. In 2021, 83% polling. We got 215 seats.
And Riju Datta, can you remind our viewers about the BJP's seat share from 2016 to 2021?
Everybody knows, from 3 to 77. And
Precisely.
Now from 77 to 47. So
Precisely.
wait for it. Wait, 4 दिन और 10 दिन रुक जाते हैं ना.
Absolutely. We are on for that. Riju Datta ji, of course, you're going to be back on our channel as well. Let me go across to JP Majumdar ji also, who's joining us of the TMC here on the show. JP Majumdar ji, your first reaction to this video of Prime Minister taking a boat ride down Ganga, calling it the soul of Bengal. Do you think he's managed to blunt some of the attacks which have been made on him by your party, the TMC, calling it a party which doesn't understand what the soul of Bengal really is, be it Jhalmuri, fish, or even Ma Ganga?
The Prime Minister has bluffed Bengal people many times, double standard Prime Minister. I will tell you why. When he came to power in 2014, just after that, Namami Gange, that organization, central government organization, at that point of time, the chief was Uma Bharati. Uma Bharati came to Bengal and announced a package of 70,000 crore rupees for Ganga cleaning Namami Gange project for 235 kilometers of Ganga, which is in Bengal, from Farakka to Sagar Island.
Right.
Unfortunately, not a single penny was spent on Ganga, and entire 70,000 चोरी हो गया. बीजेपी ने वो पैसा चोरी कर लिया. प्रधानमंत्री को जवाब देना चाहिए. He should answer. Who has
वो तो बोल रहा है, बीजेपी तो बोल रहा है टीएमसी ने चोरी कर लिया, सिंडिकेट राज है, कट मनी चल रहा है.
गवर्नमेंट का क्या बात करते हैं आप लोग? गोदी मीडिया है बोल के टीएमसी का
अगर होते तो आपको बुलाते नहीं. We have given you the open mic so that you can speak.
नमामि गंगे किसका है? You tell me. Namami Gange, whose organization is the central organization? For your kind information. Bengal आता ही नहीं है.
Majumdar ji, why are you getting so angry? I'm just asking you the questions which I have to ask.
Why you are saying government? I'm giving you the facts and figures. Pradhan Mantri ji, PM.
It's easier for you to shoot down the messenger, Majumdar ji.
I know you don't like any criticism of Prime Minister. I know your channel. So either you let me speak the factual thing.
Majumdar ji, we've called you on our channel. We had Riju Datta ji before. In fact, we have had two leaders from the TMC and no one from the BJP right now on this story.
No. Listen, that is not something you are doing great. I am giving you factual position. If there is factual error, you can tell me. There was announcement of 70,000 crore rupees, not a single penny was spent, and the entire money was taken by whom? We want to know. Pradhan Mantri ji, aaj Ganga ka
Okay, Mr. JP Majumdar ji, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now. Thank you so much for joining us. In fact, this is going to be one of the top focus stories that we are getting for you. The outreach by Prime Minister on Ma Ganga, but will that really win the soul of Bengal for the Saffron Party is the question. Well, this is going to be one of the top focus stories we are tracking for you. In fact, let's also